Hello everyone, welcome. Good afternoon. So my name is Disha Ahuja and I'm marketing manager representative of Kosh Mountain College. We will just wait for few more seconds so that let attendees join. Okay, I can see people coming. Let's wait for just 10 seconds more and then we'll start. Okay, so we'll start by the time बहुत लोग join होते जाएंगे. So welcome everybody. My name is Disha Ahuja and I'm marketing manager of Kosh Mountain College. So in this session we will be talking about where the college is, what is the campus and what are the programs that we are offering, everything. But firstly, I would like to thank Networth Immigration, so that because of which I am able to give you all the information regarding college and everything. Also, if you are having any queries which are not solved in this session, I have mentioned all the details. You can just contact them and they'll be giving you all answers right away. So we'll start, but first things first, I hope as the COVID-19 situation is getting a lot of giving बहुत ज़्यादा problems जो create कर रहे हैं, so I hope you all are staying indoors. I hope you all are staying safe. So we'll start with Kosh Mountain College. First things first, Kosh Mountain College is in Canada. So as we are talking about Canada, you should know some things regarding that. So Canada is in second largest country in the whole world, and also it's right above United States. So the college is in Canada, in British Columbia province, and it comes in northwest side of British Columbia. From Vancouver, the distance is 1.5 hour short flight. Many of the times we get confused that, as I told you, that Kosh Mountain College is in Canada or British Columbia, so you might get confused that it's in Vancouver. No, it's not in Vancouver. It's 1.5 hour short flight from Vancouver. It's 90 minutes from Vancouver. And Kosh Mountain College is from 1975. Prior to this, it was called as NWCC, Northwest Community College. In 2017, the name got changed into Kosh Mountain College. It's in public college, so all the programs that we are offering, let it be associate degrees, undergrad or postgrad diplomas, or even certificates, all programs are eligible for post-graduation work permit. So Kosh Mountain College has overall 6 campuses, and for international students there are 3 campuses. Those 3 campuses are Prince Rupert, Smithers and Terrace. जो भी मैंने अब ये 3 कैंपस बताए, Prince Rupert, Smithers and Terrace, they are just 1.5 hour bus ride distance from each other, not more than that. So you can just complete that easily. And as per Terrace is the main campus of Kosh Mountain College, which is just 5 kilometers away from downtown, which makes it easily accessible for the students living on campus and students living off campus. So as I told you that student living on campus, so yes, college also provides on-campus housing. On-campus residence is also available. So I'll tell you all the details. First, ये location के बारे में मैंने आपको बता दिया that we are having 3 campuses for international students, Prince Rupert, Smithers and Terrace. Terrace is the main campus of Kosh Mountain College. And then now I'll be telling you eligibility of Kosh Mountain College, all the programs that we are having, what are the basic eligibilities. In academics, we need your 50% overall. In academics, we need a 50% overall and also 50% in your core subjects. And for IELTS, the IELTS test requirement is overall 6, no band less than 5.5 in 1 module we accept. Also, we accept in 2 modules. I'll repeat, for all the programs, let it be post-graduation, let it be undergraduation, let it be certificates, IELTS requirement is same for all the programs, that is overall 6 bands, no band less than 5.5, in 1 module also we accept, in 2 module also we accept. And if you haven't given IELTS test, if you want to go through PTE, we also accept PTE, in that we need 58 overall. Or else you want to go through TOEFL, we also accept that, in that we need 95 overall. and as now the situation is going on, many of us are not able to give IELTS test, so for that we are also accepting Duolingo English test. So we are having a lot of options for you. You just have to choose कि आपको किसके थ्रू जाना है. Duolingo, I'll repeat, Duolingo English test is also acceptable. In that we need 90 overall. तो अब मैं साथ में सारा आपको बताती जाऊंगी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, क्या है, बट बीच में अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट्स है, कोई भी क्वेरीज है, जस्ट ड्रॉप योर क्वेरीज ऑन कमेंट बॉक्स एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू यू. और एल्स अगर ये सेशन में नहीं हो पाती है आपकी क्वेरी कंप्लीट, सो दैट यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑन नेटवर्थ इमिग्रेशन, सो दे विल बी कॉन्टैक्टिंग यू सून. सो ये मैंने आपको बेसिक एलिजिबिलिटीज़ बता दी रिगार्डिंग कॉलेज एंड अकेडमिक्स व्हाट वी नीड. तो अब मैं आपको थोड़ा प्रोग्राम्स के लिए बताऊंगी. जब मैं प्रोग्राम्स के लिए बात करूंगी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एलिजिबिलिटी होगी, आई विल लेट यू नो. सो फर्स्ट वील स्टार्ट विथ आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड. सो आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड के लिए हमारे पास देर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ एसोसिएट ऑफ आर्ट्स डिग्रीज. 4 ऑप्शंस है, यू कैन चूज. देर आर जनरल स्टडीज, आर्कोलॉजिकल स्टडीज, मेनी ऑफ द ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल, सो यू कैन चूज बिटवीन देम. ये जो एसोसिएट ऑफ आर्ट्स डिग्रीज हैं, दीज आर फॉर 2 years. So here you can complete your degree in university. It would be like 2-year program in Coast Mountain College and 2 years you will be doing in university. We are having tie-up with a lot of universities, not just in British Columbia, outside British Columbia too. Some of those universities are University of British Columbia, University of Northern British Columbia, that is UNBC, and also Royal Roads University. These are some of the universities that I told you. There are a lot of universities. So you can complete your degree in universities by crediting your transferring your credits and everything. And after than that of Associate of Arts degrees, we are having Criminology Diploma. Criminology Diploma is in undergraduation diploma, which is for 2 years. Again, if you are going for 2 years, you will be getting work permit for 3 years. If you are going for 1 year, you will be getting work permit for 1 year. So this Criminology Diploma is for 2 years. And then at last for arts background, we are having Crime Justice Certificate. All the certificates that I'll be telling you are undergraduation certificate and are of 1 year. So Crime Justice Certificate is again undergraduation certificate for 1 year. And in Criminology Diploma and Crime Justice Certificate, we need your Police Clearance Certificate, that is PCC. Okay. And then coming towards business programs, we are having 2 business programs for undergraduation also, for post graduation also. So there is undergraduation business administration diploma and there is post graduation business administration diploma. Both of the programs that I'll be telling you are of 2 years, undergraduation also and post graduation also. And in this, maths is mandatory. If you're not having maths, if you have also studied calculus or statistics, that will work too. If you have done Bachelor of Commerce in your degree, so you might have studied calculus or statistics. If you're going through that, you're directly eligible for business administration. But many are the students who haven't studied maths or haven't studied statistics or calculus. For that also we are having option. For September intake, there is pre-business program. So pre-business program would be a bridging program towards your main program. I'll give you an example. That let's assume that you have gone for September intake. So in September you will be doing this requirement of maths in this business. In September you will be doing that, and your main program, that is business program, would be starting from January. I hope I'm making it clear that if कोई student है जिन्होंने maths नहीं किया हुआ है and business calculus और statistics भी नहीं किया हुआ है, we are having this option for you. You can go through pre-business program. Pre-business program अगर आपका just 1 semester add-on हो जाएगा, not more than that. And also pre-business program उन बच्चों के लिए भी है, उन students के लिए भी है जिनकी IELTS requirement is overall 6 and 5 एक band में, एक module में है. I'll repeat. Pre-business एक तो उनके लिए है जिन्हों की मैथ्स नहीं है, जिनके पास मैथ्स नहीं है. Also उनके लिए है जिनका IELTS में एक band में 5 रह गया है. They are having overall 6, no less than 5 in one module. This program is for you. You can go through pre-business. To that you can continue your business program, that is main program, for 2 years. Okay. And then we are having social service worker certificate and social service worker diploma. Social service worker certificate, again undergraduation certificate for 1 year. Social service diploma, undergraduation diploma for 2 years. In this, maths is mandatory, no other way around. And at last, for science background, we are having two kinds of associate of science degrees. In this, medical and non-medical, both of the student can join. I'll repeat, जो भी एसोसिएट ऑफ साइंस डिग्रीज हमारे पास हैं, इसमें जो स्टूडेंट है जिसने फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स किया हुआ है वो भी ये प्रोग्राम के लिए अप्लाई कर सकता है. जिन्होंने फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी किया हुआ है वो भी ये प्रोग्राम के लिए अप्लाई कर सकता है. दे आर एलिजिबल. एंड देन देयर इज अप्लाइड कोस्टल इकोलॉजी under graduation diploma and applied coastal ecology post graduation diploma. So now applied coastal ecology post graduation diploma is for 1 year and applied coastal ecology undergraduate diploma is for 2 years. So now after hearing regarding this program, the first question comes is what will be in applied coastal ecology. So applied coastal ecology program is conducted in Prince Rupert campus, one of the 3 campuses that I told you that are available for international students. So this program is conducted, applied coastal ecology is conducted in Prince Rupert. So if you search Prince Rupert in Google, you will find that Prince Rupert comes near coastal area. So you will be getting first hand experience of applied coastal ecology there. And now pre-business applied coastal ecology post graduation में कोई वो स्टूडेंट जाएगा जिन्होंने अपनी डिग्री में environmental studies का कोई सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा हो, कोई सब्जेक्ट स्टडी किया हो, लेट इट बी botany, let it be zoology, basically BSc agriculture वालों के लिए this is the best relevant program. And at last of all the programs, we are having engineering and physical science certificate, again undergraduate certificate for 1 year. So these are all the programs that we are having. If you are having doubt that post graduation के लिए कौन से programs है, I'll repeat. We are having 2 programs for post graduation. One is business administration, post graduation business administration diploma for 2 years, in which maths is mandatory. If you're not having maths, you can go through pre-business. And another one post graduation is applied coastal ecology, post graduation applied coastal ecology, which is for 1 year, in which student should have studied one subject of environmental studies. I'm trying to make it as simple as I can, but if आपको फिर भी कोई doubt है, just drop your query in comment box that आप eligible हो, that मेरी profile suit हो रही है, क्या chances है, and everything. I'll answer that. So these were all the programs that I wanted to tell you. These are all the programs that we're having for September intake. And then now the question comes, मैंने college की location बता दी, programs बता दिए. Now why should I choose Coast Mountain College over other colleges, right? So I can tell you that fees is very minimal. I can't say least, but it's minimal, it's affordable. It comes around 7,000 Canadian dollars for a semester and 14,000 Canadian dollars for an year, in which your health insurance would be covered. So by the services that the college is going to provide you, by the education that we are going to provide you, I can guarantee you this is the best I can give you. 7,000 Canadian dollars tuition fees is for semester and 14,000 for an year, in which your health insurance is covered. Other than that, it's in public college. You will be getting, for all the programs, you will be getting post graduation work permit. And then college is also offering on campus residence, on campus housing, which would be 500 Canadian dollars for a month, in which your meals are not included. I'll repeat, 500 Canadian dollars for a month. College offers on campus housing. Or else if you don't want to stay on campus, you want to go for apartment sharing or homestay, college helps you with that too, so that you're not searching hundreds of thousands of houses alone. Colleges help there to guide you, to help you. And mainly this college believes more into practical learning. Coast Mountain College believes more into practical learning. It comes around 60% of practical knowledge, 40% of theoretical knowledge. The reason why we say is that the reason why we take this college so the reason that we say that we need that practical knowledge more is that हमें एंड में वही काम आता है. theoretical knowledge, yes, it helps a lot, but at the time when you're facing something, you need communication skills there. So you need one-on-one interaction there. Class sizes are not more than 15 to 20 students. So you are getting more one-on-one interaction there. And classes 3 days होते हैं, not more than that. By the time you can earn, you can study, it's up to you. college says that if student is coming to Coast Mountain College, they will be minimal getting $13.85 per hour. For work they'll be getting minimum $13.85 per hour, जो 2020 में 15.20 होने वाला है. That is also going to increase. So this is the minimal amount that college says that if student is working, so they'll be getting this much. But also it depends upon your profile, upon your communication skills. I had a talk with a student last week, or last to last week. She is getting paid $16 per hour. And as the situation is going on, COVID-19 situation is going on, students are eligible to work more than 20 hours if they are working in essential services. So they can work over there too. And also we provide intensive programs at the time of your breaks, summer and spring breaks. We provide 5 to 20 days practical training. There are intensive programs which would be taking place outside of your classroom, outside your 4 walls, and also you will be getting credits for that. There are 3 or 6 credits program available. And in that 5 to 20 days, you will be getting to know more regarding what program you have gone for, and also what will be the career pathways. And if let's assume that student is going for criminology diploma, so criminology diploma में उनको work profile क्या मिलेगा, कैसे काम करना है उनको, how to tackle everything, वो 5 to 20 days में practical training दी जाती है. And it's conducted in Canada or in United States, anywhere. Options are available, and you get credit too. So this is the reason I would just request you to just visit Coast Mountain College website. You will be knowing more regarding college, campus, and also regarding the programs. Because if you are having doubt in any program that what I'll be studying in this program, let's assume criminology diploma or applied coastal ecology, क्या programs, क्या subjects होंगे मेरे इसमें, उसके बाद मेरा career pathway क्या होगा, everything is mentioned in detail in website. If you search in website for programs, international students program, you'll be finding everything. किस subject पे आपको कितने credits मिलेंगे, what will be your career pathway, everything is mentioned. So why choose Coast Mountain College? We have 97% succession rate. On-campus jobs are available. On-campus residence is available. It's in public college. We give you intensive programs. You get extra credit for that. So these are the all things that you should consider before going to any college, before choosing Coast Mountain College. Also, you can just check our website or Facebook or Instagram. You'll be getting more updates regarding what college is doing right now, what are the updates and everything. As far as now, everyone is working from their home. Students जो भी वहाँ थे, international students or local students are just studying online. And if they are working on essential services, they are working too. So these were all the information that I wanted to give you. Also, we conduct a pre-departure session. So pre-departure session हम तब conduct करते हैं जब आपका वीज़ा आ जाता है and जब आप वहाँ जाने के लिए ready होते हो. Because I know that and you also know that वीज़ा आने के पहले हमें सिर्फ वीज़ा आने की टेंशन होती है. वीज़ा आने के बाद the actual question pops that how to reach college, who will be my point of contact, and after reaching how to attend orientation and everything. So we conduct a pre-departure session which is 40-45 minutes Zoom or video call, Zoom or Skype call, not more than that. In that session you will be getting more regarding practical things, that even आपको library card कैसे issue करना है, library card के through free bicycles कैसे मिलेंगी, सारा कुछ आपको in detail वहाँ समझाया जाता है, so that you are ready to go, so that you know that who to approach and how to go and everything. We are there to guide you, we are there to help you. An application fee of Coast Mountain College is $100 Canadian. I'll repeat, application fee, this is a non-refundable application fee, it's $100 Canadian. And turnaround time for offer letter would be 8 to 10 working days, not more than that. So offer letter turnaround time is also good, you don't have to wait a lot of time for that. So these were all the points that I needed to cover regarding college. If you are having any questions regarding anything, I'm here, just talk to me, just send me a comment, I'll reply you. Or else you have joined a little bit later and you need to know more certain things, or you want me to repeat something, just let me know. Or else if you're not having any query, if you're not able, if you're not seeing this live session right now, if you're seeing this afterward and you're having any query, just contact Net Worth Immigration and they'll answer your query. Or if you want to send any profiles, you can send to them, they'll get back. So I hope this session was informative for you. I hope I have covered all the points. If there is any update, I'll let you know for sure. If you're having any updates more, I'll be letting you know. And these okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining this live session. I hope this was helpful for you. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy, and spend time with your family, because at this time this is what we can. So let's do what we can do. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.